Before you buy an air fryer toaster oven combo, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them can't actually do both well at the same time. The heating zones fight each other, the racks block airflow, and you end up with soggy fries or burnt toast. But after testing these 5, I found which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Emeril Lagasse French Door Combo. First up, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Model. At $218, it's positioned as a premium countertop powerhouse, and honestly, the first thing that grabs you is those sleek French doors. They open smoothly with one hand and give you full visibility inside. With a massive 26-quart capacity, this thing can rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or fit a 12-inch pizza easily. If you want restaurant-style versatility without taking up your whole counter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-speed fan creates 360-degree superheated air circulation, which means your wings get that golden crunch without flipping. The automatic shutoff for toasting is a small but genius detail. No more guessing if your bread is done. Plus, with 24 cooking functions, you're not just air frying. You're baking, dehydrating, roasting, and even warming leftovers like a pro. It's built for families or anyone who hosts regularly. Now, some people complained about the size. It's big, and if your kitchen is tight, this might overwhelm your space. The stainless steel exterior also shows fingerprints like crazy, so if you hate wiping down appliances daily, that's annoying. But here's the thing: if you've got the room, the performance outweighs the cleanup hassle. This isn't a gadget, it's a full kitchen workhorse. This is perfect for you if you cook for 4-6 people often and want one appliance that replaces your toaster, oven, and air fryer. Skip this one if you have a tiny apartment or hate smudge-prone finishes. For the capacity and build quality, $218 feels fair, not cheap, but not overpriced either. Product number 2, Cuisinart 8-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision cooks. The Cuisinart TOA 70 NUS. Also priced at $218, this stainless steel unit looks clean and professional, and it packs 1,800 watts of power into a slightly more compact frame. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cuisinart's Air Advantage technology uses a top-mounted fan and heater, which means heat hits your food faster and more evenly. That translates to crispy chicken wings in under 20 minutes without preheating. The wide temp range from warm all the way to 450 degrees F gives you total control, whether you're dehydrating fruit or searing a roast. Now, some buyers mention the dial controls feel a bit outdated compared to touchscreens, and honestly, I get that. It's not as sleek as newer models. Also, the interior light isn't the brightest, so checking on food mid-cook can be tricky in dim kitchens. But here's the thing: dials are actually more durable and less likely to fail than touch panels, and the performance is rock solid. If you value reliability over flashy tech, this is a win. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted brand with consistent results and don't mind analog controls. Skip this one if you're obsessed with digital displays or need ultra-fast preheating. At this price, it's a strong contender, especially with that included grill plate. Product number 3, Chefman 12-quart Digital Air Fryer. Now, if Cuisinart's analog style isn't your thing, this next one takes a completely different approach: the Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1. At just $128, it's the most budget-friendly on this list, but don't let the price fool you. The capacitive touchscreen with 12 presets makes it feel high-end, and the black aluminum plastic build keeps it lightweight. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high fry boost kicks temps to 450 degrees F in the final 2 minutes, perfect for that last-minute crisp on fries or tenders. The 12-quart capacity fits a whole rotisserie chicken, and the interior light plus large window let you monitor everything without losing heat. Plus, all the accessories, 3 racks, rotisserie spit, drip tray, are dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver. Now, some users reported that the plastic parts feel a bit flimsy, especially the door hinge, and after months of heavy use, it might wear faster than metal builds. Also, the touchscreen can be overly sensitive. Sometimes it registers taps when you're just wiping it down. But here's the thing: for under $130, you're getting serious functionality. It's not built to last decades, but for casual cooks or small families, it delivers where it counts. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want rotisserie and dehydrate functions. Skip this one if you're cooking daily for large groups or want a lifelong appliance. For the price, it's an insane value. Product number 4, Instant Pot 10QT7 in 1 air fryer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tech lovers, the Instant Pot 10QT7 in 1. Yes, the same brand that revolutionized pressure cooking now does air frying, and at $205, it brings serious smart features to the table. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even Crisp technology uses targeted airflow to deliver crunch with 95% less oil, so your fries taste fried but aren't dripping in grease. The 6 customizable smart programs let you go from rotisserie chicken to soft cookies with one touch, and the app includes over 100 recipes, which is huge if you're new to combo cooking. The 10-quart capacity handles 6 portions easily, and the large front window means no more opening the door and losing heat. Now, some reviewers complained about the plastic exterior. It's lightweight but doesn't feel as premium as stainless steel. Also, the rotisserie basket is a bit small for larger chickens, so you might need to trim things down. But here's the thing. Instant Pot's reputation for safety and consistency shines here. Overheat protection, auto-off, and ETL certification mean you can walk away without worry. This is perfect for you if you love smart appliances and want app-guided cooking. Skip this one if you prefer all-metal builds or don't care about digital recipes. For the features and brand trust, $205 is justified. Product number 5. Gourmet French Door 17 Preset Combo. Finally, the Gourmet French Door model at $128.53. Don't sleep on this one. It looks premium with its dual hinge doors and 24-liter capacity, yet costs less than most mid-tier toasters. The 1700W Fryforce convection system promises crispy results, and it includes a recipe book, which is rare at this price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 17 presets cover everything from defrosting to dehydrating, and the digital display gives you precise control from 90 degrees F to 450 degrees F. The French doors open wide for easy loading, and the included fry basket, baking pan, and rack are all stainless steel, no cheap coatings here. It fits a 12-inch pizza or whole chicken, making it great for family dinners. Now, some buyers noted that the interior light is weak, and the plastic housing can feel a bit hollow compared to metal models. Also, the crumb tray is shallow, so frequent cleaning is needed if you toast often. But here's the thing. For under $130, you're getting French doors and 17 presets, features usually found on $200+ models. It's a steal if you prioritize function over luxury feel. This is perfect for you if you want French doors and multiple presets on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty durability or host large gatherings weekly. For the price, it's one of the best value picks out there. So which one should you get? If you want max capacity and don't mind the size, go with a Merrill. For precision and included grill, Cuisinart wins. On a budget, Chefman or Gourmet both deliver serious value. And if you love smart features, Instant Pot's app integration is hard to beat. All 5 solve the real problem, doing air frying and toasting well, but your kitchen space, budget, and cooking style will decide the winner.